Hello everyone, welcome back to Jolly Molly TV. And today we're going to open another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024 Advent Box. This is present number 12. I have no idea whatsoever what could be in this. There's hard items in here, but we're going to find out in a minute. This is present number 12. There we go. Can you see it? All right. Are you ready? Let's open it up. Let's do it. Trying to save the wrapping and the sticker, but sometimes I don't get so lucky on the sticker, but trying to save the wrapping. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm definitely going to save it and maybe use it to re-gift some other gifts. All right. Are we taking a sneak peek? Are we peeking? Are we peeking? All right. Here we go. Here we go. What is this? There's a frame. I see a frame. All right. Anything else in here? Oh, something else. Nope. No. It was just a crease. All right. Nothing else. All right. Let's see. We ready? All right. This is a Snowflake embroidery kit with the frame. 8-inch in diameter. And it's got snowflakes. And the snowflake here is very pretty. It's got the white thread right here. That's part of it. It's got some bead embellishments. Oh, I'm all over that. Definitely. And it's got the frame, the pre-printed fabric to stitch on. Can you see that right there? Pre-printed fabric. And it's got that frame and the outside frame to make it look really, really pretty. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Pardon the crinkle. Let's do this. Everybody come out. Don't let your pets get that. Okay, we've got embellishment beads. We've got an embroidery hoop. We have the, I think it's cotton. Let's see. Pattern. It is, yeah, white perle. I'm not saying that right. Cotton thread. That's what this is. Okay. We've got a very nice wooden frame. Very nice. And we have the fabric, which is like a navy blue with the snowflake design printed on it. That's very cool. All right. Put that there. And again, the embellishment beads and the pattern. And it's all basic steps, embroidering it. The only additional supplies you need: an embroidery needle, scissors, and a needle threader. Which, wait, that was the supplies in the last box. Remember yesterday where we had the wooden box? Let me show you. Remember this box from yesterday? What was in it? 2 needles. And now that I look at them, they're embroidery needles because they have the wider eye. And a needle threader. She gave us everything that we needed in yesterday's box. And it says you already received these supplies in the box. Perfect. I love that. Absolutely love it. So here we go. Really cool frame. Get that out of the picture. The fabric, the hoop, thread, and there's embellishments down here. Where did they go? Here they are. We got the embellishments too. That's so cool. All right. This is another awesome project. Gift number 12. Definitely keeping this, and we'll be making this as well. So Jenny, another winner. So far, everything is exciting and fun projects to make. And I think she's done a great job on this box so far. So I hope you had a lot of fun today unwrapping this gift, number 12. And stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV. Come back tomorrow where we will unwrap gift number 13 in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box. So until I see you tomorrow, have a wonderful day and happy stitching. Bye-bye.